Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the daily did turn down on the Aussie dollar. The question is the move down on the daily just a pullback to the uptrend on the weekly and the monthly? Now, last night we had Aussie interest rate news, which they decided to not change interest rate actually caused the Aussie to be very strong throughout the Asian session. I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because if the trend is now turning down on the daily, then this move up potentially would be a pullback to this move down. I would kind of expect it to, make some sort of like a more proper three-way pattern, like some sort of an A, B, C, maybe something like this before it actually continues down. So we could possibly have a very, kind of slow overlapping day waiting for it to potentially play out a three-way pullback before it actually continues the downtrend. But we'll have to see because if the dollar index starts pushing up, then this potentially could just be like a motive wave correction and it potentially just could go down from here. So I definitely am watching my Fib levels closely, looking for a nice turn at a Fibonacci level for another sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.